name is Nasia.
My name's Kay. My name is Kotaris Pool.
So the first thing you do is you're gonna pour the glue. So pour the glue, y'all.
I did it.
So now we gotta pour this one.
I did it. So we got.
So we done with that. So now you put some wash powder in it. I'm trying to be careful.
Shoot. Be
So
careful.
it's over there. So now you gotta stir it up.
I love slime.
So we stirred it up. And now as y'all can see, it is making.
Slime.
So we'll be room. So now while we are doing this, so now you're gonna need a little baking soda.
Like Borax.
Yeah. We don't got a bar at, so we'll just put some baking soda.
What baking soda could work too?
Yeah, baking soda.
Cause it's all dripping on our floor.
We'll get it up.
Yeah. You drinking up. Nothing. Oh.
You gotta wait.
You got big balls.
Shut up.
Yes. No, it looks like slime now.
It is slime.
It's our own slime, guys.
You know, first time ever making big slime. I don't make it do.
Oh my
I only make the loose.
I see glitter. That's what we gonna add food color in it.
You gotta wait till I get the
Where the food color? Oh yeah, that's
So, as y'all guys see, we made that slime. So I'll just go show y'all. So now we gotta put the food color in. After it get done, we gotta put the food color in. It is a little bit sticky.
Now we gotta put this in. Glitter in it. I'm gonna put glitter in it first. Nah. Food color we go first.
So this is one of the slimes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this one.
I'll make a slime now.
But this one of the slime. So y'all go ahead and pick out colors while I do this.
Oh. It feels. It's squishy now. Yeah. Wait. Give me some slime.
You is. It right here. We're gonna put it together.
Can I go show my mom that?
No.
Oh.
Not yet.
Food. It's like I'm gonna be playing with this all day. This gonna be blood. Cause that's blood.
Y'all share y'all slime, by the way.
Yeah, let's share. Yeah, put it back in there.
No, it's already done. I just gotta finish this one. So why I'm gonna put this in there. They is going to
pick our own colors.
Yeah, they gonna put their own colors, and then they gonna put their glitter stuff. So keep tuned. We will probably make some more slime videos. It just depends on if we have some more glue and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Or we might make some more videos.
Yeah.
Subscribe to the channel.
I hope y'all
comment, like it, do whatever to it, and
just like our video. Just like. Look, this our very first video.
Yeah, this is our first video. But it's not my first video. It's their first video.
Oh yeah. So we gonna make some more slime videos. Guess what our channel name is? The Ford Brothers.
So
subscribe to the Ford Brothers. I'm paying two.
So I am fixing it right now, and yeah.
I'm paying blue.
I need something to wash my hands on. Y'all got no shirt, everyone?
Huh?
No shirt.
We can use our new shirts.
Okay.
We don't got no shirts for white. But I got tag.
So y'all, they finna pick their colors, so when we get done, they gonna finna pick it. So hey guys, they have picked their colors. So the slime has made. So now what I gotta do is put some more baking soda in.
And split it.
And then I'm gonna split it in two. So here we go.
Here we go. Look guys,
it's already made. And it just got baking soda in it.
Yes guys.
I love baking soda. This is what I do.
Making slime is fun to make. Like,
Yeah, to me it is. To other people, it ain't. Some people don't like slime. Some people do. So.
cause we love slime. Cause if y'all didn't know my other name is Spencer too. I got Spencer in my name too, in my blood.
So here we go. So put the in there.
Baking soda.
Yes.
It's we gonna get our own. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. We already choose our colors. Shave cream.
So yeah, we're making tofu by the way. So now this.
Ew, it's food. Huh? You need some milk? No. Yeah.
Oh god.
That's it.
There we go.
Okay.
So we're making a fluffy slime, but I don't think this is the kind of shaving cream that will make it.
Like, you can use it on your face, but it covers slime too.
Yeah, it comes slime too.
Everything, you can eat it, I think. No.
You cannot eat slime.
Look, this ingredient.
Don't try this at home. Don't eat slime.
Don't eat the slime. So guys, now y'all gonna watch my video on YouTube though and see how I do. Yeah, you must not go film my video.
So while doing this, it supposed to work.
So then your hands are all white from the slime.
I know. I need something to wash it.
You need some tissue.
No, I'm good. So now I'm gonna put some baking soda, a little baking soda.
I should put.
Yeah, you put it in next.
Okay. Then I'll do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we miss.
It would have been better if they had some
We miss our
contact solution.
flour. Contact solution.
You could get back. Yeah, contact solution.
Yeah. So guys, I hope you like
So this is kind of
channel.
slime that I used to make, but anyway. So I'll split
She
it
used
up.
to make slime with us when we were young.
Yeah, whatever.
It was there.
So now I'm gonna split it up into just pick one, play with it for a while. Okay, here go yours. Play with it.
Okay. It feels fun.
So then they gonna put their color in. So now they gonna put their colors. So he got red. So put red in there.
Cut
Red.
Oh.
This enough. Oh my god. Get something, get it up there.
And look at my slime. Oh.
Get it off him.
Ha. Get my slime.
So hey guys, so we are back. So now they're gonna put glitter in their slime. So now they gonna pick that glitter. So put some glitter in there. Alright, that whole lot. Put some
Cause like I did with this.
with the food color.
I love glitter. Now this is cause
Yeah.
I'm mixing together cause like that red blue. Like designs.
I'm gonna put a whole lot.
And that.
Kaden.
And Quintana's from the France one. You're not French. My mom and dad did name me in the French. Outside.
Here's the banana glitter. Okay, come on, let's go.
I want some purple.
Get it. So there you go. So you done?
Do you think? Yeah.
So I'm gonna mix that glitter up. So
Hold
I'm
up.
gonna mix it.
Yeah, that's okay. So guys, do not eat this. Don't try this at home. You
can try it. I don't eat slime.
Yeah, so you
So
don't
we
eat
are.
no glitter.
So we are done. We are showed y'all the slime. So now we're gonna show y'all the slime that we have made. And here we done. So
We done?
yeah. So we are gonna show y'all the slime that we have made. So these are the two slimes. This is red and blue. And this is green and orange, which is it just turned part of it turned yellow and the rest of the green.
Yeah.
So we'll see you guys later. Which is my name is Naja.
And my name is Huda. And my name is Kay.
So see ya.
See